Hi, welcome to Blesta House Tutorials with me, Michael Dunt. Okay, today we're going to show you how to get your own direct links to the package. So at the moment I'm highlighting bronze, and if you want to click continue, you'll be able to see the link. That's the link to the package, so we're going to copy that and I'm going to paste it in an atom document so we can actually put the three links down. So that's the bronze package. Go back, click on silver, click continue, and again you can get the link from the top, and that's the direct link to the package. So we're going to call that silver because it's the silver package. Okay, we'll go back again and we'll click back and go to gold. Okay, if you click gold and click continue, you can get the link at the top, which is the direct link to the gold package. It's pretty simple and pretty easy, and I know Blesta are looking at ways to make it easier for you to copy and paste. But the group ID is the group package ID. So say if you've got packages called hosting and reseller, hosting will be 1, reseller will be 2, and then the pricing ID is the pricing ID of the package. So if you've got two currencies like USD or Great British Pounds, well, there'll be two numbers. So if you've made it in one package, it might be 4 and 5 or 3 and 4, and it will take you straight to the package which you have selected in the correct currency. So if you're linking more than one currency, make sure you get the proper pricing ID for each currency. Hopefully there'll be an easy way to do it, but if you just go to the group ID, then they can select the currency from the drop down, which makes life much easier. But if you've only got one price, well, just copy and paste. As I'm doing, I'm going to go to the silver, and there you go, you go to the silver. Change ID to 1, you get to bronze. ID 3, and you go to the gold. Because they're the only prices we have. We've only got 1, 3 and 6. It's simple as that. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the videos and enjoy Blesta. Thank you very much.